Good morning to everyone. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the world very badly that every walks of life around us has been affected. That doesn't mean that it's going to continue forever and we have to live with this. But that's not what it is going to be. We have gone through worse pandemics than this in the past, and the humankind has survived. And we are pretty certain that a possible cure or a vaccine will be found very shortly, and we'll be back to our normal life like before. Education institutions are very badly hit by the impact of this COVID-19 pandemic. Our children are deprived from enjoying their summer holidays, which is very bad. And now the schools are scheduled to open by 1st of June, but unfortunately this is not going to happen unless and until we have a permanent solution for what is going on. It is good that the government has relaxed the regulations a bit and allowed the institutions to conduct online sessions. The Guardian English School is pretty new for the district of Kasaragod. We have scheduled to start our inaugural year in the year 2020-21. But unfortunately, we will have to wait until the situation improves. Even though our facility is fully set to receive the children, we have to wait. Our online sessions are still ongoing. Our ERP is capable for catering all kinds of online sessions for the students to an extent of an extensive academic session as well. We have started some online activities for the newly joined children, but this is not an academic session altogether, but they are just a connectivity program to keep the children engaged at home. We appreciate the parents and of course the children for receiving it very well, and the response from them is really overwhelming. Desperate measures are required during desperate times. We understand that. Online sessions are not a substitute for in-class learning, for sure. But we have to live with it for a short while, and we are prepared for that. Our textbooks and academic contents are all available in a cloud-based platform so that children can access it anywhere at any time. But that doesn't mean that it is equal to touch and feel the textbooks and the in-class learning platform. We are ready and wait for you to come to our school and start the learning in the classroom. At the same time, we would like to request you all to stay safe and secure yourself. If you want to go out, and if it is extremely important for you, please take all sorts of precautionary measures like wearing a mask and keep safe distance from others. All we have to say at this difficult time is to stay safe and keep your children safe as well. Good luck. I look forward to see you all very shortly. Thank you.